Hi guys, Leslie here with some new releases and stickers from Planner Sister Stickers. You guys have really been liking these videos lately, so I'm going to keep on doing them as long as I have time. So this one is all about organic and kind of farmer's market and mainly focuses on carrots. So you have these two girls with carrots on their shirts that say, "Eat your veggies." Although I will say this girl's shirt says it backwards. Oh, that's funny. I don't think she meant to do that. Anyway. Oh, that's funny because here it is again. Her shirt is backwards. Her shirt is not, like the way it's written. That's funny. All right, so it's all about organic. There's farm fresh. We have it's called Mama Jeans, and it's kind of like this kind of stuff, or you can go to the farmer's market. There's some planner stuff down here. Love that phone case. That's so cute. I do have carrots. I made a carrot for Easter, and then I also have a carrot bow, so I'm definitely ready for this. I have done an avocado before. It's been a while, but this one's kind of fun. It has like organic, dairy-free, plant-based ice cream, all that kind of stuff. It's very like neutral, earthy tones, like the orange and the brown and the beige and the green are all like kind of earthy tones to me. Oh, I love that she did the cell phone cover as the bottom washi because I really like that floral print. All right, and then here's the headers and half boxes. And then here's all the deco. Let's see if we can focus on that. Look at all those cute bows. Oh, there's an oat bar. That's funny. Some green onions. I love green onions. I think those are eggs. I'm going to go with eggs on that one. Okay. And then you have this girl in front of the farmer's market. So here you can read the sign. And it says organic tomatoes, $1. Yeah, right. Farm fresh milk, $4. That might be about right for where I live. Carrots are 50 cents. That's cute. Love that. And then you have your tones of the glitter. Oh, look at, they did the plaid for the date covers. Oh, I like that. Okay, our next one is, what kind of are we doing here? Kind of like an in the city kind of day. I don't know. Artsy a little bit. So she's got like her beret and a comfy sweater. This kind of is making me think of fall. Yeah, there's like a pine cone in this flower arrangement, and that looks like a pumpkin. So it looks like fall. There's a little dog on the bench. That's adorable. Some planters and then like a museum scene right here. So it's kind of like an artsy, yeah. Yeah, there's like some French art books down here. And then there's like a charcuterie board. Love it. I was trying to get the vibe. All right, and there's some neutral tones here with the pop of that like teal. This like teal green. This orange is a little darker. And then the bottom washi is very artsy. I like that. I like that a lot. All right, and then here's our headers and half boxes. Oh yeah, here's the deco. Definitely fall because we've got the leaves and the pumpkins. And then this little dog is so cute. Little fall outfits, I guess. That's fun. Okay, here's the girls again. Maybe they work in fashion. There's like a rack of clothes back here. All right, and then here's the headers for that one. Kind of like splatter paint. Oh, this one's a lot of fun. I've seen this one on Instagram. Okay, so it's all like ice cream trucks. So there's like a girl's feet standing here, and then there's like deco down here, and then it says creamery and a clock, and then you have like an ice cream truck on this box. And then look at this. Oh my goodness, it's all ice cream and like cherries. So the mugs say Sugar Rush ice cream, and then it says for ice cream bowls. There's some donuts. There's an ice cream truck with a spilled ice cream cone. There's cones, nuts, chips, sprinkles if you were to do like an ice cream bar, which would be really fun. Eat, sleep. It says eat, sleep, pray on that. This says scoop, and it's got a little ice cream scoop, and then it says sprinkles, and it has a spoon for sprinkles. Then there's some scissors. I don't know what you would use those for. The straws? I don't know. And then that says tweet. Oh, it's a birdhouse shaped like an ice cream cone. I was like, why doesn't it say sweet? Then it says melt, sweet, ice cream. There's a little clock, delish, yum. And then those say Sugar Rush. And then that one says cherry on top. So that's kind of funny. Love it. I do have cherry clips. That's a thing. And then I have the cherry bow. So maybe I would use that with it. I don't know. All right. And then we have the colors on this one. Ooh, look at those colors. Blues and pinks. There's the bottom washi. And then here's the headers and half boxes. And then here's more of the deco. So sometimes they add like other things in here. So there's the donuts. There's a little like sweet case. There's a little outfit. I actually worked at an ice cream store in college, in case you guys didn't know that. I did. I worked at an ice cream store. That's really busy but fun. I like it. And then look, glitter date covers. I don't think they've ever done that before. I like it. They should do more of those. Okay, love this one. So excited about this one. I actually have a, it's like a constellations, bow. And then I also made that shooting star clip. So that's one of the reasons I was like, yes. And then I'm probably going to work on the cupcake. There's the girls. The cupcake that's in here, I kind of want to make that. So, because you guys know I've done cupcake clips before, so I think I'm going to make that Starry Night cupcake clip. I think that'll look good. And then I love that sparkly star bow. And I told you guys I already have a star bow. And then there's like a cityscape back here, which is really fun. And then there's like a paintbrush over here, a little outfit over here. The girl has purple hair over here. And then she has like star tattoos on her neck back area. That's really fun. I like that. I've heard that most people with back tattoos forget that they have them, though. They're like, most of the time I forget it's there. I was like, what? Because they don't ever get to see it. All right, so we got yellow, purple, like a dark navy blue, and then like a regular light blue. Oh, I love the bottom washi. The Starry Night. I love that. And then here's the headers and half boxes. And then here's our deco. So this definitely screams like the summer nights, which was funny because that's one of the reasons that I did my August clip. I was trying to see if I could see it. I think I moved it because it's not August yet. The August clip that I just did. There we go. So it kind of matches this kit with like a pop of green because the reason I did the navy blue was like the summer nights kind of feel. So I feel like that's going to go really well with it. Here's the girl in front of all the stars. And then the glitter headers. And then here's your date covers. They match the bottom washi on that one. All right, this next kit, I think is the last one. Maybe there's two more. There might be this one and one more. All right, so we have girls holding books. And then this one says, work, it's kind of hard to see, work hard, dream big. And then we've got washi tape and a planner and some planner bow clips. Love it. Planner stack. Here's kind of like a sitting room area. Here she's sitting in the chair with a glitter background. Love this vase. Love it with all the flowers in it. A little coffee here. So cute. Adorable. Adorable. And then here's all of the checklists and functionals. And then we have our full boxes here. So kind of a light peach, mauve, minty green, and then like a green apple green. And then check out this bottom washi. They've never done that. I love this two-tone glitter, although the gold and the green together do remind me of St. Patrick's Day. I'm not sure why, but they kind of do. All right, here's your headers and half boxes, and then here's some more that deco. Zoom in for that. So we've got two planner spreads, a planner, some pins, a vase, bows. Okay, I've thought about making my bows into bow charms like that, but let me know if that's like something you guys would be interested in. I would want to do the... You know the chain link that I usually use to like put on a fan, like a light pulley? I want to use that so it can go on any planner. So mine wouldn't be a clip because that doesn't work on every planner. So mine would be like the chain link thing. But I have been thinking about putting my bows on those. So let me know in the comments if that's something that I should look into because I just have to buy the stuff for it. All right, and then here's the girl with the plant in between. And then they did the glitter day covers again and the green apple. All right, I think that's it. I think this is the last one. So this one's very fall in New York, maybe. It feels like those New York vibes. Like it reminds me of You've Got Mail, or in front of her house. It reminds me of Sex and the City in front of the house, like those kinds of things. And then on her phone case here, it says fresh brewed coffee. She's got like a little gift bag and a stack of books and like a purse. Here she's reading. She looks like Bill. She's like in the library. We've got a newspaper that's all about stickers. That reminds me of when Erin Condren would do that. They put like a newspaper in. And then there's a coffee and donuts, some mail and planners. And then you got a little bug in front of like the houses. And then there's like a little cafe. I almost said this was a kitchen, but it's like a coffee cafe. Then there's like two girls hanging out. Planner meetup. I don't know. Here's your checklist and dink dots and functionals. Okay, so here's our full box checklist. So we have like a sand color kind of, no, maybe that's more of a sand color. I don't know, it's like a light clay color. And then you have light blue, and then you have blue, and then you have like that, like I said, that's more of a sand color. And then this washi reminds me of Blue Willow, like the plates. I grew up with Blue Willow. My parents had them, and then my husband's grandmother had them. All right, here's some headers and half boxes. And then we have the girls reading. Okay, I know I'm going to have a friend that's really excited that there's a girl with gray hair. She's going to be so excited there's a girl with gray hair, because that's rare. For like sticker people to find that in the art. And then there's like a tray of coffee stuff, books, gift bag, coffee, donuts, newspaper. And then here's the girl in front of the coffee shop. Also, when I wear my Luke's Diner shirt, people either have two reactions. Oh, where's that? Or, oh, I love that show. I don't know how many times I've had to say that, like, it's from a TV show. Every time I wear it, probably. All right, here's the headers on that. I love the texture look on those. So those are my new kits from Planner Sisters stickers. I hope you enjoyed these haul videos. Let me know if I should keep going with these in the comments. Let me know what kits you're going to get, or when you want to make sure that you get to see in my planner soon. I would love to know. I love the comments on haul videos because they're so much more different than the comments on my Plan With Me's. Like, they just are, because it's a different kind of video. So, all right, I need to stack these back up so I know what their covers are. But her kits, or their kits, I should say, their kits always inspire. Where are my words today? Inspire me to make new